Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude topic, that is percentages. So before going in detail about this percentages, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about walk-in drives, off-campus drives, government jobs, private jobs, internships, and also tech news. So coming to this percentages, what does mean by percentages? Percentages. See, percentages. See, from here itself, it is percent. It is nothing but cent is nothing but 100, right? So per hundred, what is the percent? They're asking. Percent is nothing but per 100. So mostly these all will be finding in an aptitude in an aptitude problems which occur in the companies which you are going to attend. So before that, this percentage is dealing with the problems of the percentages. I would like to tell about how to remember some of the percentages directly. No need to do it by 100 and solving it. It takes a time. So here, see, just write down like this: 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 12, okay, up to 1 by 12. Okay, what these are all the even numbers, right? Other than 1, all are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. After completing 12, just consider with the odd numbers. What are the odd numbers here, right? 3, 5 and 9. Okay, 3, 5 and 9. These are the main to remember. These will come very frequently in the problems. See, 1 is nothing but 100%. How 1 came? 100%, right? Percent means per 100. How much? 1 is the answer. See, 50%. 50%. Cancel. So 1 by 2. Like that, by solving everything, these 1 by 4 means 25%, and 1 by 6 means 16 2 by 3%, and 1 by 8 is 12 1 by 2%. 1 by 10 means 10%. 1 by 12 means 8 by 8 1 by 3%, and 1 by 3 is 33 1 by 3%. 1 by 5 means 20%, and 1 by 9 means 11 1 by 9%. So this is how, see, mainly why I am saying to remember these all, because these will come very frequently. There is no need to do, like, you have to save the time. So this is a shortcut to remember these all percentages. So please do remember, whenever it comes directly, if they'll give you a 12 1 by 2%, no need to convert that mixed fraction into normal fraction and doing in a by 100. It takes a time, right? See, just consider 12 1 by 2 percentage. See, it is a mixed fraction, so consider it, into change into normal fraction, that is 25 by 2%. So 25 by 2 means 25 by 2 by 100, right? So by 100 means what we will do, 25 by 2 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, it is nothing but 1 by 8. See, when you remember when 12 1 by 2% is 1 by 8, there is no need to solve this much problem. So this is how I told you to remember this. So this will help you to save your time, to save the time which you do on percentages. So coming here, see, coming to the problems, let's get started with the problems. 20% of 400, 20%, right? Percent by 100. Of is nothing but, we know that of is multiplication of 400. So 20 by 100 into 400, it is nothing but 2 zeros get cancelled. So 80 is the answer. This is how you'll solve. And there is another method which you are very thorough with your percentages, you can do here. Just consider 400 as 100%. So in that 100%, how much we want? 20%, right? So no need of doing 20%. So just consider 10%. 10% of 400 means how much? 400 into 10%, right? so it is nothing but 40. So again other 10% is also 40, just add them all. How much? 80 is nothing but 20%. This is a method you can do when you are very thorough with your percentages. So we have other problem. 35 is what percentage of 105? See, so 35 is the number, okay? At what percentage of 105 is that? They asked you. So at what percentage? What percentage means we don't know something yet. Let us consider it as an x. X percentage. What percentage? Right? Percentage means 100 of 105 equal to 35. So x is equal to 35 into 100 by 105. It is nothing but 100 by 3. It is nothing but 33 1 by 3 percentage. This is how you will solve these problems. And here is what percentage of 120 is 24. It is same like the before question, just they just change the number, that's all. Don't get confused that they given here. Just understand the question. What percentage? We don't know what percentage. Let us consider x by 100 of 120 is 24. That's all. Like this you will be solving the problems. So 24. So x equal to 24 into 100 by 120. So 0 0 cancel, 12 ones are 12 twos are 24. So how much? 20%. And the answer is 20%. And here see, 225% of a number is 145. Find 150% of that number. So same number we see, something number is there. Let's think as it is an x. So of that number 225% is 145 it seems. So for that same number, so 150% how much they are asking? Okay, how much they are asking? This is a question. See, I'll repeat it again. For example, something number is there, for that 225% is the 145. So for that same number we have to find out 150%. So see, 225% means how much? 145. For 150% we have to find out the number, and we don't know the number which they are doing, like they are doing the percentage. So just keep it aside, no need of that in this problem actually. Just crisscross multiply. So 225 into x equal to 150 into 145. So x equal to 145 into 150 by 225. It is nothing but 96.66%. By solving this, you will get 96.66%. See, if the sum of 20% and 30% of a number is 324, find the 75% of that number. See, when they given, don't get confused about the number. Number doesn't matter here. Here is the matters is the percentage, and the number of doing that percentage is the matters. So here see, 20% plus 30% of a number is 324. It is nothing but 50% is 324. We have to find out for 75%. So just crisscross multiply. So x equal to how much you'll get? 75 into 324 by 50. You'll get 486. So 75% of that number is 486. So here is the other question. If the product of 15% and 10% of a number is 250, find the sum of 15% and 10% of that number. See what they have given. 15% into 10% is 250. Okay, so we have to find out 15% plus 10% how much. So this is the question they have given. So please do it carefully, and please do it and give me answer in the comment section. So I'll solve this in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.